Nintendo, the Japanese video game publisher announces Nintendo Labo. The series of cardboard toys can assemble with the help of Nintendo Switch. Also, user can easily play a variety of games on the Switch by using these toys. Nintendo of America President Reggie Fils-Aime says, Labo is unlike anything we've done before. While Nintendo creating several cardboard toys, called Toy-Cons, that allow for the creation of real-world objects that are hand-in-hands with the Switch and its Joy-Cons. The new Nintendo gaming technology comes with two variations, one is Variety and another Robot. You can make Toy-Con projects with Variety kits, including RC cars, fishing rod, house, motorbike, and a piano. The Robot kit takes the form of a backpack style. When worn you become the robot on the Switch, which moves like you do. Plans to create new toy kits. Nintendo plans to create new toy kits on a regular basis by introducing functionalities and games to play using your creations. Also offering accessory kits to allow each toy to customize using stickers and stencils. The profit of each kit mainly consists of cardboard and rubber bands, while Nintendo charges $70. Also, parents will seize the opportunity to give their children something instructive to construct and play with Super Mario Odyssey. While the Nintendo Labo launch on April 28 with the Varieties and Robot kits. Compared with Nintendo Switch, Labo will struggle to keep up with demand as the base materials used in each kit which are generally available.